to 艾米丽厨房 Emily's Kitchen. I'm very excited to share with you today's cooking, the duck wing with foochow red wine paste. It is originated from Fuzhou or Fuzhou in Fujian province. I love this dish so much because when I was a little girl, my mom always cooked this during a Chinese festival, and I always can smell from miles away when she cooked this dish. So if you never tried this, you better try, and I'm sure that you will like this. Let us begin with the ingredients today. This is the homemade foochow red wine paste. I made this myself. If you want to know how to make this, please refer to my previous video of foochow red wine. Alternatively, you can also buy the paste from the Asian groceries.
First, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and we are going to fry our ginger until fragrant. After that, add in the foochow red wine paste and continue frying. Once it becomes fragrant, add in our duck wing. Fry until each pieces of duck wing are coated with red wine paste. Then remove it from the wok to a pot. Add enough water and dark soy sauce and let it boil. Once it is boiled, cover the lid and turn to low heat and continue simmering. Open the lid halfway and give another quick stir. Close the lid again until the duck wing is soft. After 15 minutes, the sauce has thickened. Add in some salt and sugar to taste.
The the foochow red wine paste duck wing is now ready to be served. The taste of home. If you like my video today, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to Emily's Kitchen. I will see you in the next episode. Bye!